May need to push a bit. There we go. There we go. See how that's flush. Now we just do that for all the other ones, the back. Okay, so for these, you want to wipe all the old grease off. Look at that. Cone paste. I just got this off of Amazon. So what it is just, you know, paste, grease, or whatever you want to call it. All I do is just take the rod and lather a good layer of paste onto there. Okay, so now we done lubricated those. I got this anti-seize lubricant, and what I do with that is I put it on the edge of the brakes, these little notches here. Then I also, let's see, let me take this off. I also lubricate these. This is where the brakes are gonna go. So what it does is it makes, when the brakes are braking, as you can see, they get compressed. It will, the lubricant will make the action smoother. So when it's gliding across here, it's a much smoother reaction. But yeah, it won't seize. So like if anything, if it rusts, it won't seize. So yeah, and you want to make sure you don't get this on any of the rotors, because you know that's the whole, you want the brakes to work, so don't put them on the rotors. But yeah, I just put a little bit amount, like, you know, generous, but just to coat the edges, just like this. There you go. That side. That side. So it's gonna look like this. But yeah, you're just gonna twist this, and slowly these will be pushed back. Now it's gonna be very hard, but it should, you know, be pushing back. But so let's see. There we go. They're all compressed. And now we slide them on. Okay, but yeah, that went nice and smooth. But like I was saying, when the piston moves, it'll be much smoother now, you know.